I'm not a trader. That's why I like copy trading. It really allows me to use someone else's skill and really pick on, I guess, leverage someone who's way better than in trading than I am. And so I actually was researching. I found this company BTCC, and they have a copy trading game here, so you can win all sorts of rewards. And if we go here and open this up, you can see exclusive rewards, $100 deposit rebate, future trade loss protection. They have new user exclusive with 300% APR, and claim your new reward of 28 USDT. That's $20 right there. So keep track because there's actually more at the end of this video for your first trade. They also, I was looking at their copy trade, and their people are pretty decent. I mean, if we look at these percentages here, 200%, 137, 33, 100, a lot of fives here and almost zero, 53%. And they have like a lot of different people. Let's see what the top one is, total P&L. And it's so convenient to have a way to copy trade because it helps them out to be able to scale their business. It helps us out because we are able to be invested into the market and raising stars. So pretty neat. Actually, so I saw they have you get your first copy trade covered, and I see that they are doing a kind of a exclusive offer for you guys. So that's another 50, so I think that's $70. Your first copy trade covered. Protect your first copy trade from losses until the end of May. It looks like $50 USDT. Available spots 1,000. I don't know how many spots they have left. I would say just sign up. You should be able to really get into copy trading and see if it's something that you enjoy doing as a more passive setup. And so if you want to really, let me switch this real quick, earn even more, so get rewarded with ease, 30,000 USDT, begin your crypto journey. So they do have a 7-day campaign. So on top of all that, you get $10 for registration, $20 for KYC, and then first time you trade, make your first copy trade, so there's another $10, and then first deposit and first future trade, and then accumulative deposits, future trading volume, accumulative future trading volume. So it just keeps going up to a 90-day campaign where you can earn 5,000, 7,000, 12,000. So pretty neat stuff. So just a reminder, you do want to get that exclusive new copy trade. Get your first copy covered, register now because it is for the first 1,000 people. And then also you do want to leverage all of these. So there's another, 30, I think it was 30,000, right? And remember to get all of your other rewards, the 100% deposit rebate, first trade loss protection, new exclusive offer with the 300%, then get your reward for a new copy trader, and then use all those rewards to sign up for the future copy trading and see which one more kind of resonates with you. There is so many different ones. Overall rankings are a great way to start. There is a cap on some of them, so like Invictus is capped, but Technical Trader has a few spots left. So definitely check them out, guys. And this one has 3,000. See which copy trader is best for you. Use your rewards to get your deposit bonuses, and I'll see you guys on the next one.